Welcome to Tekh Tronikz. Explore the Vivo V29e with a vibrant 6.78 inches display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, 64 megapixel OIS camera, 5000 mAh battery, and up to 256 GB ROM. Vivid visuals with segment's slimmest 3D curved display. Top-level visual experience as the Super AMOLED display offers a cinematic visual experience and faster gaming response. Smooth and responsive processor with an octa-core design, Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 powers you up with higher app speeds, higher and more stable game frame rates, and better network connections. 64 megapixel OIS night portrait camera gives you stable and clear portraits even in low-light conditions using the 64 megapixel night portrait camera with OIS. Also, the 2x professional portrait mode enables you to take DSLR quality portraits with reduced distortion. Artistic red. Your red-hot passion and energy are now interpreted with cold-changing glass, forever glowing and inspiring. Ultra-fast charging, like a flash. The 44W flash charge provides you with a higher energy conversion efficiency, guaranteeing fast charging wherever you are. Extended RAM 3.0 effortlessly multitask with a simple tap, enjoying seamless app retention, background launching, and instant switching. App Retainer. It can restore an app to the last interface you saw, enabling seamless task processing and guaranteeing a smooth experience throughout. RAM Saver. It can reduce resource consumption, maximizing space for a smoother experience. 5000 mAh battery. With a large battery capacity and doubled battery lifespan, along with a smart charging strategy, it keeps you away from anxiety. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share, and comment.